What it is, man. It's your boy Too Cold in this bitch. Got my nigga Hype D back there somewhere in this motherfucker.
You know what I mean? Rap Star A&T, man.
But we gonna hit y'all with a request, you know what I'm saying? Somebody wanna see us dance to that Marcus Houston, that noise.
For the ladies.
You know what I'm saying? This is for the ladies. So all you bitch ass niggas and you hating ass niggas who don't like the shit, then nobody tell your ass to watch it. You know what I'm saying? This is for the women and the women only. Let's get into that shit.
Let go.
This is mattress music. Hey, yeah. Oh, la, 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 la. Now I'ma give it to you, baby, just the way you like it. And I can tell by the way that you hold, know the bitch you like it. And you trying hard not to scream, but your pillow bites it. Girl, please don't fight it. La, 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 yeah, nah. Cause every time you push and pull, it just goes deeper. So when I'm nice and white, baby, I'm gon' feature. And we about to make a movie, a double feature. Scream if you need to. Tell the mattress to be quiet, I can hear you. Now love it when you make that noise. Screaming till you lose your voice. This is how you ain't got no choice. Baby, wanna make you moist. That's when you make that noise.
Running, killing this shit.
Go and love me, baby, go and love me, baby, go and love me, baby, go and love me, so I love it when you make that noise. I'ma have you say it. So when we go, baby, come and let it take that. I know you feel it in your stomach, it's impossible to fake that. Turn around, poke it out, bend it over, now shake that. Make that face that I like. La 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 la. I'ma spin a thing, lick a thing, run up all in it, girl. First I'ma stand back and stare at it a minute, girl. Look at that thing. Got a nigga so hard, like I'm standing in a teacher, girl. I'ma salute ya, so scream if you need to.